Warning: Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. Alam niyo ho, last couple of days, if I remember, naging topic ho natin na mataas ang suicide rate pagdating ho talaga ng Burmans. Every year ho yan. Not only in the Philippines but also in some of the countries like the US, Europe. Normally, it's associated also in the gloomy weather pagdating ho is fall going to winter. Sa Pilipinas naman ho, nakukulimlim ho tayo. Normally, ito ho yung panahon na kung saan maraming holidays pagdating ho ng sa atin. Unlike sa US, ngayon ho ay Friday. It's a Thanksgiving ata ngayon sa US, the last Thursday of November. So ako ho ay sinasabi ko sa inyo, after that, Christmas, dito ho sa atin, ang dami ho talaga ng mahaba-habang holiday ho natin. Kaya lang, kung minsan associated, pag sinabing holiday, ayun na ho yung mga pag ikay medyo hiwalay, ikay nawala ng trabaho, medyo namatayan ng pamilya, talagang madidepress ka ho talaga. Depende sa sitwasyon mo. But notice this, na sinasabi ho, na ito ho all points bulletin para sa amin ho, ano? Na meron daw ho studies conducted and it says that 15 to 24 years old sa mga millennial, yun hong edad 15 hanggang 24, yun ho yung millennial na kung saan marami raw ho sa age bracket na to. Sa Pinas, not only in the Philippines, but also, I know that parang dito, if I'm not mistaken, sa Philippines, is that right, Apo, sa Philippines? 15 to 24 years old is a study or is it universal? Give me a signal dito muna kasi wala tayo. Okay, sa Philippines. Okay, now, 15 to 24 years old, a Philippines only study. Ito ay ginawa hong pag-aaral na to ng Philippine Psychiatric Association na mataas ang suicide rate ho. Ang dahilan ho, ito ng mga matinding depresyon. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Bakit ho sa 15 to 24 years old, pag-uusapan ho natin to, ano? You know, ito ho yung age na kung saan hindi pa ho sila stable. They have more time, more energy, and no money. This is the age bracket where you see more time, more energy, more money, more social media. And the lifestyle and behavior and the attitude of these people basically virtual. So you see mga boss, pag pinag-aralan ho natin yung demographics na hong pinag-uusapan natin and then relating to suicide is because these kids don't know how to engage anymore. Hindi na sila marunong makipag-usap sa kapwa nila. More or less, nasa social media o nasa Facebook o sila o ano-anong ginagawa dyan sa internet. So napapabayaan ho ng mga magulang at ang mga magulang normally working, sabihin natin working parents. And so the kids are left behind by themselves, for themselves and fend for themselves, by themselves. So anong ibig sabihin ho niyan mga boss? Well, I don't know kung ito is something to do with social class also, kung bakit mataas ang suicide rates, but pag titingnan ho natin, is it a form of economic deprivation? Is it yung mataas ang suicide rate ba doon sa medyo hindi ho masyado angat sa buhay? Less yung mga sinasabing mas angat sa buhay, dahilan na kung saan kids these days, they're so preoccupied. And the lifestyle is more on social media. And they don't really engage face-to-face, eyeball-to-eyeball, conversing, person-to-person, versus doon sa iniiksihan na ho yung kanilang mga, hindi na ho sila, sometimes hindi na ho nila alam kung paano mag-engage in conversation because they're so used to shorten mga messages na mabilisan. Alam niyo naman ho kasi pag-aaral social media, mabilisan, only 6.5 minutes or sometimes 2.3 minutes. Gusto nila maraming click sa mga kabataan, ganyan. As they do the clicking, especially pag hindi ka anak ng mayaman, you'll see your friends out there with their material things na nabibili ho ng kanilang mga magulang, the places that they've been to, and yung mga kanilang napupuntahan, the happy, whatever it is that the happy visuals na nakikita ho na sa internet with their friends. And so they compare themselves, bakit ako walang ganyan? Bakit yung aking kaibigan may bagong sapatos? Bakit kababili niya ng bagong relo at bagong damit? Bakit ako wala? So now there's that comparison. And so a lot of kids now these days using social media. Nasa social media, pagkatapos ho nila mag-internet sa Facebook, nakikita lang mga kaibigan nila, about an hour or 2 hours after, nade-depress na ho sila. Bakit ho sila nade-depress? Hala ho silang kapareho ng nakukuha ng kaibigan nila. Either their parents are wealthy, good family, engagement, or happy on vacation, places that they've been to, having dinner, blah, blah, blah. And that's always, the poor kid na medyo hindi masyado kausap ng kanyang magulang at saka may kunting problema, hindi masyado angat sa buhay. So, he or she would compare himself. Ikukumpara ang kanyang sarili sa ibang mga kaedad niya. Bakit ganyan? Bakit kami wala? Then comes in the depression. And then, sa katagalan ho yan ng ganyan, di pa nakakapag-usap, nandun sa social media, nalulugmok ho sila eh. And then they sink into a deeper depression. Pag hindi ho naagapan yan, and they're so afraid to engage and tell what they feel inside sa mga kaibigan. And they end up, that's it, committing suicide. I'm not an expert, but I speak on the basis of the lifestyle, the attitude, and the behavior na mga kabataan ho natin ngayon. This is the reason kung bakit may Bitag Live si Ben Tulfo ho kasi unfiltered, no holds bars. Yung aking mga sinasabi. Believe it or not. Yan hong bracket na yan, 15 to 24 years old, they have so much time, so much energy, and they're not stable, dependent, they don't have the money. As you go further, 25 to 26, it's a working age na kung saan medyo may kunting stability na, masahod na. So they have, hindi na yung, there's lesser time because now they're employed and there's less energy, not so much, although they still have the energy after work, but they already have the money to buy. As you go older, you have less energy, less time, and sometimes divorce happens. Sasabihin ng kanyang sweetheart, you don't talk to me anymore. We don't talk anymore. What am I saying here, mga boss? We need to talk. We need to engage. We just stop. Can you just stop with this tablet, your mobile phone, or your computer? Talk to your parents. Talk to your son and daughters. Talk to everybody in the office. Make sure to check him out. Check her out. What's going on? Engagement is the word. People nowadays, younger generation, they don't know how to speak anymore. They don't know how to talk. They can't even look at you eye to eye. Their attention span is more on social media. And they get depressed comparing themselves economically. And so, depression sinks in. Committing suicide.